Do you remember the excitement when you were at the cinema and the Star Wars logo appeared on screen? Or, if you're younger, maybe you'll remember the Warner Brothers logo with the Harry Potter theme song. If used effectively, logo reveals are a powerful tool to introduce your brand and create memories that will last in your audience's mind for years. That's why we wanted to share with you our list of the 10 best logo reveal templates for Apple Motion for 2022. All the items on this list are available from Envato Elements, a subscription-based service that gives you access to millions of stunning resources like royalty-free music, stock video, and motion graphic templates to bring your projects to life. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Logo Reveal FCPX by Video. We're starting our countdown with a beautiful and elegant template. The background is full of golden bokeh particles, and a light stroke reveals your logo, making this template look magic and charming. Number 9. Particle Energy Blast Logo Reveal by Deluxe. This template looks powerful and heavy, almost like your logo is overcharging to create its grand entrance. Download this template and introduce your branding with the strength it deserves. Number 8. Rotations Logos by Video. Spin your logo like a record with this opener template. It's dynamic, speedy, and gives a high energy opening to your content. Whoa, I'm starting to get dizzy, so let's move on to the next template. Number 7. Stylish Logo Reveal Apple Motion by Strokevorks. The number 7 spot in our list is a clean and sleek logo reveal. It works perfectly for tech companies, tutorials, or corporate videos. Optical flares, background particles, and smooth animations give this product a professional finish. Number 6. Silk Vortex by Deluxe. With a clean, modern, and abstract-looking animation, this template gives the illusion of a portal, bringing your logo through to the audience from a different dimension. You know that multiverse is trending right now? Spider-Man. Download this pack and take your audience to your own universe. Before moving into the top 5, make sure to leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of our videos. There's a playlist on our channel with over 200 videos with even more stunning assets. You might want to check it out. Number 5. Smoke Trails Logo Reveal Apple Motion by Deluxe. With a void atmosphere and the illusion of two mystical forces joining to create your brand, this logo reveal will give a powerful introduction to your logo. The smoke trails are fully editable, so you can change their color to suit your branding. Number 4. Glitch Reveal Apple Motion by Bank508. With chromatic aberrations, glitches, and a green tinted atmosphere, this template catches the essence of a dystopian future, the likes of which was created for The Matrix. Follow the White Rabbit and introduce your project with this stunning template. Number 3. Glitch Logo Reveal for Apple Motion by Proskorovsky. A fast, bright, and futuristic template takes the number 3 spot on our list. This pack includes 3 different styles and perfectly introduces your project with a futuristic aesthetic. It's also quick and clear, so you can get straight into your content. Number 2. Build Logo by Honeypix. Bring your logo to life with this attractive reveal. This template shows your logo through different production processes, from sketch to final product. This gives the viewer confidence that your brand is responsible and methodical. Number 1. Neon Glitch Logo by Honeypix. A neon silhouette distorted with chromatic aberrations takes the number 1 spot on this list. This logo reveal is fast, disruptive, and dynamic, making this template a mighty opener to introduce your content. So that's a wrap. Let us know in the comments if you'd like to see a top 10 with items you're searching for. We're here to help you enhance your creativity, so take advantage of the resources we have available. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notifications bell so you never miss our videos. See you next time!